Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 best hotels in Udon Thani, Thailand. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or luxury accommodations, we've got you covered with the best places to stay in this vibrant Northeast Thai city. Coming in at number 5 is the Cottage Hotel Udon Thani. This charming 3-star hotel boasts an impressive 8.6 rating from over 1,800 reviews. Guests love the intimate, boutique atmosphere of this property. Located in the heart of Udon Thani city center, this hotel sits in a quiet neighborhood yet remains walking distance to local street food stalls, night markets, and river parks. The central location makes exploring the city incredibly convenient. The cottage features a relaxing rooftop bar with stunning city views and a cozy terrace perfect for unwinding. Every room includes a private balcony or terrace with partial city views, a refrigerator, quality shower facilities, and premium toiletries. Rooms are very competitively priced, making this an excellent budget-friendly option. Breakfast can be enjoyed in-room or taken as a packed option, with fruit and snacks available upon request for an additional charge. Guests consistently praise the friendly, welcoming staff and excellent value for money. Clean, comfortable rooms and the inviting rooftop bar atmosphere make this ideal for couples seeking authentic local experiences. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. At number 4 is the President Hotel Udon Thani, a solid 3.5-star choice with an 8.4 rating based on nearly 4,000 guest reviews. This hotel offers a sophisticated yet accessible experience for travelers. Positioned conveniently in the city center, the President Hotel provides easy access to Central Plaza, UD Town, and major transportation hubs. The location is ideal for those wanting to explore local attractions and dining without any hassle. Amenities include an elegant bar, soothing massage services, and an indoor swimming pool for relaxation. Spacious rooms feature private balconies, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and beautiful views of the gardens, parks, or pool area. The hotel offers excellent value with an impressive breakfast that guests consistently rate as 5-star quality with diverse options. Room rates are very reasonable, especially considering the aquapark for children and fitness center access. Guests rave about the attentive staff dedicated to ensuring an enjoyable stay, along with complimentary airport shuttle service. This hotel is perfect for families and couples seeking comfort and convenient facilities. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. Number 3 on our list is the Centara Udon, a prestigious 4-star property with an excellent 8.7 rating from over 18,000 verified reviews. This hotel is a true leader in the Udon Thani accommodation scene. The Centara sits adjacent to one of the largest shopping and entertainment complexes in Udon, with easy access to Central Plaza, local markets, and transportation connections within walking distance. The city center location is unbeatable. This hotel boasts an impressive rooftop infinity pool with city views, a full spa facility, multiple dining options, and modern event spaces. Rooms feature air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, personal safes, and premium amenities with refreshing shower facilities. Room rates are very competitive for a 4-star establishment, offering excellent value. The hotel's dining scene is diverse, with both in-house options and carefully curated local cuisine recommendations available. Staff members are known for their exceptional friendliness and helpful service, making guests feel truly welcome. The spacious, clean rooms and convenient location near shopping and dining make this ideal for travelers wanting it all. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. Number 2 is the Dream Factory Hotel and Rooftop Bar, an outstanding 4-star property with an impressive 9.1 rating from over 900 reviews. This trendy boutique hotel is a real gem in Udon Thani. Located in the city center near markets and the river park, with excellent transport accessibility, this hotel puts you right in the action. Everything from local attractions to dining options is just steps away. The property features elegant decor with classic wood and leather furnishings, spacious rooms with private balconies or terraces, mini fridges, and complimentary bottled water. The on-site cafe serves excellent coffee, and in-room breakfast delivery is available daily. Pricing is very reasonable for the quality offered, with wonderful breakfast service included. The rooftop bar features live music performances in the evenings, adding a vibrant nightlife element. Guests consistently praise the unique atmosphere, comfortable beds that guests rate among the most comfortable they've experienced, and the stunning rooftop bar for evening entertainment and photography. Families enjoy the proximity to Playport just 1.4 kilometers away. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. Coming in at number 1 is the AVA Hotel Udonthani, a stylish 4-star boutique property with an outstanding 9 rating from over 2,400 reviews. This modern hotel sets the standard for quality in Udon Thani. Situated in the city center near vibrant markets, night markets, and cultural attractions, the AVA provides excellent accessibility. The Ban Chang Museum, Central Plaza, and UD Town are all conveniently reachable on foot or by short transport ride. The hotel features contemporary design, a charming rooftop area with city views, and an excellent in-house coffee service. Rooms are modern and compact, with air conditioning, personal safes, mini fridges, and quality shower facilities. Rates are very competitive and offer exceptional value for the quality delivered. Breakfast is hearty and delicious, and the close proximity to the airport makes arriving and departing incredibly convenient. Guests consistently highlight the clean, comfortable rooms, silent air conditioning, and excellent soundproofing that ensure restful sleep. The friendly and attentive staff combined with the central location make this perfect for couples prioritizing comfort and convenience. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best hotels in Udon Thani, Thailand. These rankings were based on total guest reviews on Agoda, guest ratings, and overall value for money. Each of these properties offers something unique, whether you're seeking luxury, budget-friendly options, or something in between. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more hotel recommendations from destinations around the world. Let me know in the comments which hotel you'd pick for your next trip to Udon Thani. Thanks for watching and happy travels.